Hi friends, let me show you this smart pet feeder that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really nice because it is an automatic feeder. You get the user manual. You even can have an app in your phone to control it. It holds up to 120 portions for your pet's foods. Okay. It turns to open and close it. It has a compartment to put a desiccant package, so the food won't be humid. You can use it with a rechargeable battery or connected to the electricity. Okay, so you get this USB charger. This is the stainless steel food plate that you put in here, so it won't fail. Your pets, well, it will be difficult for them to take it out. Okay. This is the rechargeable battery compartment. You have to get this plastic off. Okay. As you see, it's already on. And you can get it out for cleaning purposes, okay? Let's try it with our app. We have our app already here, Smart Life. We are going to add a device, okay? We are adding the device. We added successfully, and now we can use it with our app. Okay, perfect. You can select the number of portions that you want to feed your pets. As you can see, and it will feed your pets. You can have a meal plan, like every day, how many times, how many portions, and save it, okay? And you can have the, the record of the meals your pets have had, okay? You can have the meal plan here, different plans, and your feed record, okay? Let's put some food on it. Okay, so now we have the food of my pet's foods here, and we are going to install it. Perfect. You can put some food manually. You will have a portion of food. Okay. Or you can, so now you know how many portions you need for your pets, and you can also program it. Or you can also have a meal plan like the one we programmed, okay? So I think it's really useful, and you can use it connected to the electricity or with the rechargeable battery, okay? So you can do it both ways. Let's see our pets use it. So we have our food. It is working with a rechargeable battery, and we have our pets here. So you can press the button here, and it will dispense the food. You can do it manually, as I did it, or with the app. Have a meal program and automatically feed your pets when it's time to feed them with the right portions, depending on their size and, hungry. Thank you.